Hi guys, I'm back and I really hope to spread positivity, faith, support, and build a community of teens who will help and motivate each other. Today I have with me a very brave sister, Gayatri, who's only 11, and thank you so much for joining us. So, Gayatri, you're only 11 and both your parents had corona. So, while they were isolated, you looked after your younger brother, his medication, and even supervised the entire house. That's unimaginably epic.
Yeah, so it was hard, and my little brother he cooperated.
So, I really hope your parents have recovered now.
Yeah, they have. They're good now.
So, my first question is, where do you get all your strength from?
So I used to call my friends, my family, and I used to do numerous video calls with my parents when they were both sick. So they were both locked in different rooms. First, my dad got it, and then 3 days later, my mom was. She got tested and then she had it. So they both had it and they were both locked in different rooms, and we used to do calls with them. And I also used to call my dadi, who is currently in my Tauji's house. So we all live in the same colony and she's gone there. Before they had COVID, she was there, and yeah. So I used to call her. I used to call my friends. I used to call my extended family, and they gave me a lot of support. And they gave us a lot of. They used to order some yummy food and all, cakes and cupcakes and all, and they used to send it to us, and we used to, love it. We loved it all.
That's really inspiring. So, we hear everywhere that corona is a really serious disease. So, were you scared for your parents' health?
I was very scared. After they told me they were fine, they both were fine and they were doing well, and they used to obviously check their vitals too. They used to check their temperature and their pulse oximeter. We all had pulse oximeters, and so they used to check that. And when the vitals were good, we weren't that worried, but obviously we were very worried on the whole, because if both my parents had it, then and we hear stories all over about the oxygen depleting and all of this bad stuff happening. So it was very worrying.
But I hope they've recovered now. They're perfectly fine. So, are you very happy about
Yeah,
that?
they're both fine. They're both very good.
What steps did you take to make sure that you and your brother were safe and far away from your parents?
Yeah, so our parents, we didn't like really. We weren't in the same room as them, obviously, and we used to stay in our room, which is upstairs, and they were both downstairs on the first floor. So we were social distancing. And my brother and I, we used to obviously have medication like supplements and vitamins just to keep our health up. And we also used to check our vitals, our pulse, and our temperature.
That's really good. It's really good to use social distance. That's really good.
Yeah, we did.
How did you both spend your time? Because you were away from your parents, how do you spend your time together?
So obviously the calls and all took a lot of time, and we were really happy with all that. And we used to watch a lot of like TV shows, and we both were watching a lot of YouTube and all. So yeah, we were just like doing that, and I read a lot. I read a lot of stuff, and even Viraj, just my brother, he's 6 and he's learning to read now. So he's doing that.
It's good that you guys are being productive.
Yeah, and we also had our online classes, which took up about half of our day. He used to do his himself. I used to do mine myself. So we used to do that too.
So you watch many TV shows and movies probably. So what would you like to recommend? What do you think?
Yeah, so for some reason I was into a lot of food shows. I used to watch MasterChef Australia, and there's this YouTube channel called Tasty, and I loved their videos. It's really nice. And I used to watch a lot of feel good movies, so I wouldn't be saddened by anything, and that really helped.
So
my brother was watching all that.
Did you learn any new recipes?
Yeah, I learned a lot of stuff, and I used to cook actually. My father's birthday was when they were both locked in. So I made him a gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan cake because he can't eat all of that with icing, and he really loved it. And we celebrated his birthday through that.
So congratulations. So do you miss going outside and playing with your friends?
Yeah, I mean, before COVID got really bad in the second wave, we used to go out and play with our friends. And even before COVID started, we used to play a lot. Me and Viraj were both always, we were very active, sporty children. So we love going out and we can't do that anymore. So yeah, it's quite sad. We try and do what we can inside.
It's good you're making most of lockdown. That's really good. So did you had like while your parents had corona, did they give you any numbers to call in case of an emergency?
Yeah, so our Dadi, since she's in this colony, and my Tauji, who's my father's brother, obviously, and we used to call them whenever we needed anything, and they actually used to make us food, and they sent it. So yeah, that's the food we all ate.
So what did you think was the worst thing about being in lockdown and being isolated?
Well, it's mainly that you can't meet your friends because I've got my inner family with me, so my extended family and my friends, we all have sometimes we all have get-togethers and all, and you can't do that. And even school, so you can't meet your friends or your extended family during this time.
So did you have to eat any medicines or supplements to protect yourself from COVID?
Yeah, so we had vitamin gummies, and we had a lot of bad tasting medicines, and we had like vitamin C and zinc tablets and capsules. So we had all that, yeah.
So what are your favorite games to play with your family?
Well, I really like playing the game Life, the board game, and we also play some online games like Roblox, and we play Life and Monopoly, and we also all got into solving the Rubik's Cube, so we all can do that, and we do that together.
That's amazing. If you can solve a Rubik's Cube, hardly anyone who can do that. That's really amazing.
Yeah.
So whenever you're feeling low or unwell, who do you talk to? Your parents, your brother, your friends? Who do you talk to?
Well, my brother was there, my parents were there, so I used to call them. And yeah, obviously we felt we went through a lot of downs in this time because we didn't know what was happening to them. And yeah, we were very scared, but I also used to call like my friend Shania, and my grandmother helped a lot. She told me a lot of stories, fun stories and all. And all of this like kept me away from being really sad.
It's nice that you were so brave, and the fact that you're such a supportive friends and family. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So lastly, do you feel that you've become more responsible because you single-handedly took care of your house and your brother while your parents were sick?
Well, yeah, it's definitely more responsibility. But yeah, I had everyone by my side. I had my 2 nannies. And it was, I can't say fun, but we tried to have a lot of fun just to keep us away from all this. And my brother, he did try to cooperate, but since he's very young, 6 years old, he had some trouble, and we fight a lot.
So Gayatri, in the past few weeks, the way that you handle this entire situation, I'm sure you will draw strength from this for the rest of your life. You should be very proud of yourself. And thank you so much for being here. Stay safe, stay indoors, and stay masked up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To know more about Delhi and the NCR, like us on Facebook and click on See First for latest updates and happenings in Delhi and the NCR.